Alina Habba, a lawyer who has represented Donald Trump, finds herself at the center of a legal storm. She recently reached a confidential settlement with Alice Bianco. Bianco had accused Habba of serious ethical breaches. The case has raised eyebrows, particularly due to its connection to Trump and his Bedminster golf course. Habba's alleged actions and the subsequent settlement have ignited a debate about legal ethics and the potential misuse of power. Habba's association with Trump dates back to his presidency. She played a role in his legal team, navigating the numerous lawsuits and investigations he faced. While her work for Trump thrust her into the spotlight, it is this latest case involving Alice Bianco that has drawn significant scrutiny. The allegations against Habba paint a troubling picture. They raise questions about her conduct and the lengths to which she allegedly went to protect her interests. At the heart of the matter are accusations of unethical conduct leveled against Habba by Alice Bianco. Bianco, a former business associate of Habba's, alleged that Habba had engaged in a pattern of deceit and manipulation. The lawsuit, filed in a New Jersey court, outlined a series of events that painted a picture of Habba allegedly using her legal expertise for personal gain. Bianco claimed that Habba had misled her in a business deal, resulting in significant financial losses for Bianco.
Habba pressured me into signing an unfavorable agreement, taking advantage of our professional relationship. She leveraged her legal knowledge to intimidate me, effectively silencing my concerns.
The allegations against Habba, if true, represented a serious breach of professional ethics. They struck at the core of the attorney-client relationship, built on trust and a duty to act in the client's best interest. Central to the case is Trump National Golf Club in Bedminster, New Jersey. It was at this opulent setting that Habba allegedly convinced Bianco to sign a non-disclosure agreement, or NDA. The NDA, according to Bianco, was designed to silence her and prevent her from speaking out about Habba's alleged misconduct.
I was pressured into signing the NDA without fully understanding its implications. Habba used the backdrop of Trump's golf course to intimidate me and create an environment where I felt I had no choice but to comply.
The choice of location for this alleged encounter was far from insignificant. Trump's Bedminster golf course has frequently been in the headlines, often in relation to legal and ethical controversies. The fact that Habba chose this location to meet with Bianco adds another layer of complexity to an already convoluted situation. The settlement reached between Habba and Bianco has done little to quell the controversy. The terms of the settlement remain confidential, further fueling speculation and raising questions about what transpired. Legal experts have weighed in, suggesting that the NDA signed by Bianco at Bedminster may not be enforceable under New Jersey law. They argue that the circumstances surrounding the signing of the NDA, including the alleged pressure and intimidation, could render it invalid.
The judge presiding over the case has also expressed concerns about the settlement. While the details of the judge's concerns remain private, the fact that they exist at all is noteworthy. Judges have a responsibility to ensure that settlements are fair and just, and the judge's concerns suggest that there may be lingering questions about the Habba-Bianco settlement.
The fallout from this case is far from over. Habba's reputation within the legal community has undoubtedly taken a hit. The allegations against her, whether proven or not, cast a shadow over her career. Her association with Trump, who himself has faced numerous legal challenges, further complicates matters. The case has also drawn attention to the power dynamics that can exist within the legal profession. Bianco's allegations, if true, highlight the vulnerability of individuals who may feel pressured by lawyers in positions of power. The case serves as a stark reminder that even those entrusted with upholding the law are not above it. The legal profession relies heavily on public trust, and cases like this erode that trust, raising questions about accountability and the consequences of unethical behavior. Section 6. Echoes of a pattern. The Habba case, with its echoes of alleged intimidation and forced silence, resonates with a broader pattern associated with Trump and his circle. NDAs have been used extensively within Trump's businesses and during his presidency, often in an attempt to suppress information and control narratives. Critics argue that this pattern of using NDAs raises concerns about transparency and accountability. They point to the potential for NDAs to be used to silence victims of harassment, discrimination, or other forms of misconduct. The Haba case, while separate from Trump's own legal battles, serves as a reminder of the potential pitfalls of NDAs, particularly when used in situations involving imbalances of power. Section 7. The price of silence. The use of NDAs to silence individuals raises fundamental questions about the right to free speech and access to justice. When individuals are pressured into signing NDAs that prevent them from speaking out about potential wrongdoing, it creates a chilling effect. Victims of misconduct may be reluctant to come forward if they fear legal repercussions for breaking an NDA. This can create a culture of silence that allows unethical behavior to flourish unchecked. The Haba case highlights the need for greater scrutiny of NDAs and their potential misuse. It underscores the importance of ensuring that individuals are fully informed of their rights before signing away their ability to speak freely. Section 8. The Erosion of Trust. The Haba case, with its allegations of ethical breaches and the use of NDAs to silence dissent, contributes to a larger erosion of trust in institutions. When individuals in positions of power, such as lawyers, are accused of abusing that power, it chips away at the public's faith in the legal system. The use of NDAs to suppress information further fuels this distrust, creating the perception that those in power are operating in secrecy. This erosion of trust has far-reaching consequences. It undermines the rule of law and erodes confidence in the institutions that are meant to uphold justice and fairness. Rebuilding this trust requires a commitment to transparency, accountability, and a willingness to address instances of misconduct head-on. The Haba Bianco case serves as a stark reminder of the importance of accountability, particularly within professions like law that hold significant power and influence. Holding individuals accountable for their actions, regardless of their status or connections, is crucial for maintaining public trust and ensuring that justice is served. While the confidential nature of the settlement may shield some details from public view, the case has sparked the necessary conversation about legal ethics and the responsible use of power. As the legal system grapples with the implications of this case, it is imperative that the pursuit of justice remains paramount. Transparency, fairness, and a commitment to upholding ethical standards are essential for restoring faith in the legal profession and ensuring that all individuals are treated with dignity and respect under the law.